Let's eat dinner, guys. My food for tonight. Meron tayong charan! A crabs, guys. One of my favorite. Ayan, guys. So, diba? Charan! So yummy. And I have also a fried fish, guys. Pritong isda. Oh my god. So, let's eat. This is my food for tonight, guys. Ayan yung aking food for tonight. Ayan. Ngayon, a little amount of rice, guys. My rice, guys. So, ayan, let's eat. Ang sarap kumain ng nakakamay, guys. I miss this. Ayan, na-miss kong pagkain, guys, probinsya. This one, the fish, guys. I really love it. Yeah. Ning. Ayan. Maalat. Medyo maalat siya, guys. Ayan. Ang daming asin. Let's eat. Ang ating isda. Ating fish, guys. So yummy. Ang sarap kumain na nakakamay, guys. Ayun na. Buhay probinsya. So yummy. Guys, ito. Ito yung aking namis, yung ating crabs. Okay. Tingnan natin, guys, kung meron ba siyang laman. Medyo maliit kasi yung crabs natin, guys. Ayan, medyo matigas siya. Ano yung kanyang laman, guys? Charan! Yung kanyang laman. Ayan. Ito, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Charan! Liming-ming. Just for him. Ayan, ating crabs, guys. Ayan, ito yung na-miss ko, guys. Sarap na ating crabs. So yummy, oh. Chiming. Hi, let's eat. So yummy, guys. Yung ating crabs. So, sipsipin yung kanyang guys. Yung kanyang laman. Ayan. Sa ating pritong isda. So yummy. Ating pritong isda, guys. Sayang. Ayan, medyo matinik lang ang ating isda, guys. Kailangan tayo maigi kasi matinik siya. Matinik siya, guys. Ayan, ito yung ating crabs. Ayan. Kunti lang yung kanyang guys. Ayan, oh. Yung kanyang laman. Kasi, maliit lang siya, guys. Maliit lang. Ayan. Ayan. So, I'm done guys. Ayan. Tapos na ako kumain guys. Ayan. Ayan. Kunting-kunting na ako kumain guys. Na. Ang aking crabs natin. Ulam. Kailangan matibay yung ating sarap. Ayan, konti lang yung kanyang laman sa loob guys. Konti lang kasi maliit yung ating crabs. Ayan. Ayan po. So, I'm finished. Tapos na ako guys. Ayan. Naubos ko yung isang crabs guys. Hindi siya mingming. Alright. So, that's it for today. Yung may natira pa ako guys. Ayan. Ayan. May natira pa tayo. Ayan. Para to sa akin. Ano naman. Ayan. So, I'm finished.